Okay, so today is our eighth meeting, Dia.
Yeah.
Do you still remember what was it? What did we learn last week?
Mm, simple past.
Simple past, good.
Simple
Which means
past. Uh, uh, yeah. Describe past daily, maybe.
describe past thing that
Daily,
happened in the
daily.
past, yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then what about the verb? How many verb do we have?
For two.
Verb two, yeah. We use verb two.
Two.
We have regular and
Regular.
irregular. If regular, so what should you do with the regular verb, Kia? How to change it into verb two?
Regular verb. Ide. Ide.
Yeah, you may put ed
You make it
in
the
the end of
ide
the verb. What
verb.
about irregular one?
Irregular when got. Yeah.
Would you
Yeah.
mind to mention three? Go
Yeah.
become,
Come. Did.
huh? Go.
Oh, when got
Go become went.
when
And then see become
saw
saw.
saw
Good. So it become,
yeah
it become, it.
at at at
Eight. Good job.
it at
A-A-T-E-A-T-A, eight. Okay, good job, Gia. So,
hello
hello.
hello at it yeah
I'm like,
yeah
what
I
about now?
miss
Is it already alright?
yeah uh yeah ready
Already. Okay, so because last week we learned about simple past tense, today we still in simple past tense, but we talk about nominal sentence. Sentence yang tidak pakai kata kerja, tidak pakai verb. Last week
yeah
kita bahasnya tentang verb, irregular and regular one. Now,
yeah
we were going to learn about was were, yeah. So this one is
sorry
the title of the conversation. Lucky you.
you
Betapa beruntungnya kamu gitu. Lucky you. If you would
okay
like to tell someone that enak ya jadi kamu, ya bilangnya lucky you.
enak
Okay.
oh okay miss
Uh-huh.
okay
And then in our eighth meeting here, we're going to learn. I have two pictures here. Would you mind to describe both of them? What's the difference?
the view maybe the
The
view sorry
view.
yeah
Okay. The
In
view, and
the
then
left, I can see the sunrise.
sunrise.
In the right, I can see the um, pool.
Cool.
Eh,
Good job.
pool,
All
yeah.
right, great. So, if you would like to say, aku kemarin di sana, aku kemarin ke sana. What do you say?
Sorry, Miss. I don't listen your voice.
My voice isn't clear.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
It's not.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you would like to say, aku kemarin ke sana loh, gitu. How do you say that?
Uh, I'm I'm going. I
Kemarin, kemarin.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yes.
Yesterday,
Uh-huh.
yesterday. Uh, yesterday I go to.
Verb two.
Oh, yesterday I goes.
Are you sure?
God.
Mm-hmm.
I got to the sunrise on the pool.
My,
Yeah.
you said goes or go or went?
When?
When. If you talk about the past, yeah.
Yeah,
If you talk about the past, you need to use verb to
up
because
to.
kejadiannya kapan? Kemarin. Apakah hari ini masih?
Okay. When? Ya. Apakah you when um, when mm, here he now? Eh, it is wrong. I don't know, Miss.
I
I
went
when
to the pool
would
yesterday. I went to the pool yesterday. That's positive. Kalau negatif,
I I don't.
don't itu kalau sekarang. Kalau kemarin
Not
menjadi
not.
did.
It,
Berarti
oh,
didn't.
I didn't.
I didn't. Verbnya verb satu apa verb dua ya? Kalau sudah ada
Berdua.
didn't,
Go. Verb
go.
satu.
Karena sudah ada di didn't. I
Okay.
didn't go
Go
to
to the
the
pool yesterday.
pool yesterday. Good. Uh-huh. And then, apakah kamu pergi ke pool yesterday?
Hmm, do I did I go to the pool yesterday?
Apakah kamu? Did you?
Did you
Did
go
you go
to the pool
to
yesterday?
the pool
Yesterday,
yesterday? Yesterday.
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 Okay. Yeah.
And then what's the answer if yes? Yes,
Yes, I did.
I did. Good job. If no, no,
Yes. No, I didn't.
I didn't. Nah, so today we're going to talk about was and were. Loh, Miss, was were itu apa? Itu past of be. Past of be. Kalau di simple present, kita punya is, kita punya am, kita punya are. Tapi kalau di simple past, kita hanya punya dua. Was sama were.
Okay.
Nah, kalau misalnya mau bilang, aku kemarin di sana gitu. I pakainya gini. I was there yesterday. Ini kalau nominal sentence. Nominal sentence itu yang gimana, Miss? Tidak ada kata kerjanya. Tidak
Oh,
ada kata
okay.
kerjanya. Jadi, ini, there, ini adalah preposition. Atau di mana?
Proposition.
Posisinya di mana? Di sana. I was there. Jadi dia harus pakainya was atau were. Berhubung di sini ada ini pakainya was. So, I was there yesterday.
Jadi there itu apa, Mas?
Preposition.
Proposition.
Aha. Atau keterangan tempat.
Oh, keterangan.
Oke. And now, before we go to talk about was were more, I need you to read this conversation together with Miss Ira, yeah?
Yeah.
So let's listen and practice. Hi, Cody. How was your vacation? It was excellent. I went to California with my cousin. We had a great time. Lucky you. How long were you there? About a week. Cool. Was the weather okay? Not really. It was pretty cloudy, but we went surfing every day. The waves were amazing. So, what was the best thing about the trip? Well, something incredible happened. So now, please, Gia, repeat after me. Hi, Cody.
Hi, Cody.
How was your vacation?
How was your vacation?
It was excellent.
It was excellent.
I went to California with my cousin.
I went to California with my cousin.
We had a great time.
We had a great time.
Lucky you.
Lucky you.
How long were you there?
How long were you there?
About a week.
About a week.
Cool.
Cool.
Was the weather okay?
Was the weather okay?
Not really.
Not really.
It was pretty cloudy.
It was pretty cold,
But
cloudy,
we went surfing every day.
but we went surfing every day.
The waves were amazing.
The waves were amazing.
So, what was the best things about the trip?
So, what was the best thing about the trip?
Well, something incredible happened.
Well, something incredible happened.
Okay. So, do you know what do they talking about?
Mm, vacation
Vacation. Okay, who's go on vacation? Yeah,
to Cody.
Cody. Okay. Cody went to
So, California.
California. He went to California.
Yeah,
Who do you who did he go with? Who did
with,
he go with?
with cousin.
With his cousin. So if you would like to ask, kamu pergi sama siapa? Itu nanyanya who did you go with?
Okay.
Who did you go with? Kamu pergi dengan siapa? Kalau kamu akan pergi dengan siapa? Do
Who
who will you go with? For example, dia mau pergi keluar sama temennya Gia. And then dia mau tanya, kamu perginya sama siapa aja? Who will you go with? Dengan siapa saja kamu akan pergi. Oke. And then I need you to be Leah. Please, yeah, and I will be Cody. And after this, we're going to talk about the grammar focus.
Hi Cody, how was your vacation?
It was excellent. I went to California with my cousin. We had a great time.
Lucky you. How long were you there?
About a week.
Cool. Was the weather okay?
Not really. It was pretty cloudy, but we went surfing every day. The waves were amazing.
So, what was the best thing about the trip?
Well, something incredible happened. Okay, so now I need you to change the role.
Okay.
Hi, Cody. How was your vacation?
It was excellent. I went to California with my cousin. We had a great time.
Lucky you. How long were you there?
About a week.
Cool. Was the weather okay?
Not really. I was pretty cloudy, but we went surfing every day. The waves were amazing.
So, what was the best thing about the trip?
Well, something incredible happened.
Okay, great job. All right, so Gia, do you know what is cloudy is?
Cloudy is weather.
Weather, okay.
Uh, yeah.
But cloudy in bahasa Indonesia, what is cloudy in bahasa Indonesia?
Uh, sejuk ya, apa?
Sejuk? Cloudy?
Dingin.
Mendung.
Ya mendung.
Ya, if sejuk, dingin itu chilly.
Oke, oke, oke.
Seperti itu. Kalau cloudy itu mendung.
Mendung.
Kalau panas,
Hah?
panas sekali.
Hot.
Hot. Atau kita juga bisa bilang sunny.
Aneh. Oh,
Sunny. Sunny. Cerah. Panas.
oke.
Cloudy.
Mendung.
Mendung. What about berangin?
Hmm, Surfing? No, no, no. And ini apa ya? Ah, I don't know. I don't know.
Berangin dari kata wind ditambah y berarti
Windy,
windy. Windy itu
berangin.
berangin.
Oh,
Kalau rainy,
hujan.
hujan. Snowy,
Salju.
bersalju. Sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, snowy. Yeah, we usually have this one. This one is the weather.
Oke.
If weather is if cuaca, but
Oh,
oh yeah, it's also weather. Kita hanya punya dua. Apa itu? Musim penghujan dan musim
kemarau.
kemarau. Kalau musim hujan itu rainy season, season, musim ya.
Oh,
Kalau musim kering, musim kemarau
hmm, apa ya?
dari kata kering. Kalau basah itu
Hah?
wet. Kalau kering
Hmm,
apa
ini
ya?
apa? Lupa. Ini itu apa ya? Nggak tahu,
What?
Miss.
Hey, hello.
Nggak tahu.
Oh, okay. This one. Dry. Dry season. Musim kemarau.
Oh, musim kemarau.
Musim kemarau. It's only was it informasi tambahan ya. If you would
Ya,
like to talk about the weather, so you know what the weather is it. How was the weather? How's the weather in Gunung Bati today?
hmm, Sunny.
Sunny? Okay, good job. But here in Ngalian, it's a little bit cloudy.
Oke. Oh,
Mm-hmm. I
ya.
hope it's not rain, yeah, after this because I need to go to the office.
Gunung Pati, I think it's so rainy in this December from
And,
now.
mm-hmm.
Ya, turun apa sih? Down, down, down rainy season in the December.
On December, yes, actually on December it should be rain, yeah. So
Ya,
yeah, as we know that on October, November, December, yeah, September, October, November, December, it should be rain, but we already get the rain right from December, yeah.
ya,
Parah-parahnya December.
ya,
Yes, okay. Oh, let me delete them, yeah. You
ya.
already take a note.
Ya.
When
Oke.
will where will you go after this, Kia? Do you want to go somewhere?
No,
No, just stay at home.
ya,
Just stay at boarding house, yeah?
ya.
Okay, so now we go to our grammar focus. Our grammar focus is past of be atau to be dalam bentuk verb do. Verb do.
Lebih, oh ya,
Verb dua dari is and are adalah was and were. Was and were. Oke. Nah, oh,
oke.
gak kelihatan. If was, we have was. Itu sama dengan is. Berarti yang pakai was itu siapa saja ya, Gia ya?
It,
She, he,
he,
it,
it,
dan ketambah pengecualian I. I kalau di present tense dia pakainya am, tapi kalau di simple past tense dia pakainya was. Jadi yang pakai was itu ada she, he, it sama I.
Um,
And then yang pakai were ada
they, they, they,
they,
we,
we,
you,
you. They, we, you.
they, we, you.
They, we, you. So ini paten. Kalau ketemu subjek she, for example, Kia. Kia kemar kemarin ke mall. Kia were at the mall yesterday. Seperti itu. He juga pakai sorry, Kia was at the mall yesterday. Pakainya was. He juga was. It was. I was.
Yes.
Kalau they pakainya were. They were at school. They were sad. We were friend.
Hmm,
For example, you were my best friend.
best friend.
Tapi tandanya seperti apa? If you would like to use past tense for some sentences, for example, you were my everything. What it means?
Kamu segalanya.
Kamu segalanya. Kamu adalah segalanya. Kapan segalanya? Dulu. Sekarang nggak lagi. Kenapa? Karena pakainya were.
Were.
Were, simple past tense itu adalah menjelaskan tentang apa yang terjadi di masa lalu. Dan tidak kita bawa sekarang, terjadinya dulu. Sekarang udah enggak. You were my everything. Dulu kamu itu segalanya. But now, you aren't. Sudah tidaklah
Uh,
lagi. Mhm. Kalau
mm, was his,
this one,
I was his girlfriend. Ada hisnya, Miss.
his itu kepemilikan. Kepemilikan.
Oh, his
Laki-laki.
milik laki-laki. Hmm,
Itu di masa lalu terjadinya ya karena pakainya was. Miss, cara
maksudnya
bedainnya gimana? Nah, kalau yang pakai was were itu ada adjektif. Yang pakai was were itu adjektif, preposition, noun, and then verb in
mm-mm.
atau continuous continuous verb. Kalau yang makan, jalan, pergi, lari, seperti itu kan dia verb ya. Kalau verb berarti langsung saja pakainya diubah menjadi verb 2. Sudah tidak pakai was sama were lagi. Bukan I was run. I was ate gitu salah. Jadi tidak boleh seperti ini dia. I was ate gini nggak boleh. Karena ini namanya double verb. Ini to be sama verb. Tidak boleh dalam satu, pilih satu. Harusnya pakainya I ate. I
Hmm,
ate French fries. Kalau I I was eat. Nggak boleh ya. Tidak bisa. I was at. Nah, preposition itu at. I was at the restaurant yesterday. Ini betul. I was at the restaurant. At, preposition of place. Place-nya apa? Restaurant. Terjadinya kapan? Yesterday. Makanya was.
oke, oke. Jadi was
Kalau
itu dipakainya masa lampau aja ya, Miss ya.
Mm-mm.
Kalau were sama juga.
Kalau were lampau juga sama. Were itu juga lampau. Lampaunya apa? Lampau dari are. Dari are. Contohnya ada yang pakai were itu adalah they, we sama you. Kita bikin contohnya ya. Oke.
Iya.
Dia, mereka, mereka apa ya? Hmm,
We,
ya mereka kenapa? Kalimat Indonesianya yuk. Coba kasih misra pencerahan.
mereka mereka sedang mengejar waktu.
Mereka sedang mengejar waktu. Minggu lalu. Kalau sedang kan harusnya pakainya verb ing ya. Kalau mereka mengejar waktu minggu lalu atau mengejar kereta.
Ini mengejar.
Mengejar, mengejar itu verb loh, dia. Mengejar itu
Oh iya, tuh.
chased gitu. Kalau yang tidak pakai verb itu yang noun atau adjektif. Contoh, mereka tuh dulu cantik, sekarang cantik banget gitu. Bisa.
Oh,
Sekarang enggak lagi contohnya. Berarti they,
they
cantik itu kata sifat. Kata sifat atau adjektif ya. They were
were
beautiful.
beautiful.
Contohnya Cherry Bell. Cherry Bell dulu mereka cantik-cantik, sekarang sudah mama-mama gitu ya kan?
Mm-mm.
Nah, kita bilangnya they were beautiful. They were beautiful. Dulu mereka cantik.
Mereka cantik.
Mm-mm. You were you were in my house yesterday. Last week boleh.
You were in
We were on vacation. Boleh. Jadi yang misra masuk preposition itu apa? Ada in, ada on, ada
ada
apa lagi? In, on,
out in
at.
on
Mm-mm, at.
left.
Ya, seperti itu. Itu preposition of place. Under the sea, for example, lagi diving under the sea. They were under the sea. Mereka berada di bawah laut. Contohnya seperti itu.
Were
Nah, look at the first example here, Kia. Were you in California? Nah, ini ada in. Aduh, we over here we have in. We have in over here ya.
okay. Were you in? Were you in?
Were you in? Jadi pakainya were.
Were.
Nah, in California itu kan California kan itu tempat. California itu tempat, in itu preposition.
Preposition.
Mereka wajib pakainya were. Were you in California? Mereka pakainya maksudnya to be ya. Kenapa di sini pakai were? Karena look at this one.
You.
You itu pakainya
And you were.
were. Jadi kalau kalimat tanya atau adjektif itu adjektif interrogatif ya, interrogatif yes no question itu to be-nya ditaruh di depan. Jadi were you, apakah yang berubah di depan namanya apa? Apakah? Apakah kamu ke California? Apakah kamu di California? Yes, I was. Yes, I was. Oh iya, was.
Was.
Ya,
Hmm.
was berarti iya,
Ini.
kemarin aku di sana. Pakainya jadi bukan yes I am, tapi yes I was. Karena sudah
Oh.
terja terjadi. Udah pulang dia dari California, udah nggak di California lagi. Nah, kalau yang number two, itu jadi kita tuh lihatnya seperti ini ya. Lihat subjeknya. atau lihat apa yang dia bahas. Number one itu you. Number two yang dibahas adalah weather, cuaca. Cuaca apakah bisa dihitung?
Tidak.
Tidak. Nah, berarti kalau tidak bisa dihitung, berarti dia singular atau tunggal.
Hmm.
Kalau tunggal itu pakainya was. Masuknya weather itu masuknya ke it ya.
Hmm.
Masuknya ke it. Jadi pakainya was. Was the weather, oke? Apakah cuacanya, oke? No,
Hmm.
it wasn't. If you would like to put not, tinggal di nih lihat was sama was, oke? Diawali dengan was, diakhiri dengan was, kecuali yang you. Kalau you itu were you, apakah kamu? Jawabannya yes, I was. Oh iya, aku gitu. Kalau yang number two ini was the weather, oke? No, it wasn't. Wasn't berarti dia negatif.
Negatif.
Ya, dia negatif. Tinggal ditambah not.
Not.
It ini mewakili siapa dia?
Apa?
It
It man. It itu mewakili was. Wasn't.
masa mewakili siapa?
It itu
We
weather.
weather yang dibahas. No, it wasn't. Yang enggak tuh apanya? Weathernya. Weather itu kata gantinya adalah it.
Itu.
Kalau yang were you and your cousin on vacation? Apakah kamu dan sepupumu? Berarti how many people?
Tuh lebih dari satu.
Lebih dari satu atau two
Hmm.
people. Were you and your cousin on vacation? Jadi pakai karena dia dua orang, pakainya harus were. Dua orang itu masuknya ke they. They pakainya were. Were you
Dua.
and your cousin on vacation? Yes, we were. Oh iya, kita kemarin liburan. Yes, we were. Seperti itu. Next. Number four, parents. Kita lihat. Kalau ini kan yang subjeknya adalah you and your
Your
cousin. Kalau ini
cousin.
parents. Lebih
Nah,
dari
dari
satu.
satu.
Berarti pakainya were.
They.
Were
Eh,
your parents there? Apakah orang tuamu di sana? Oh enggak. No, they weren't.
mereka tidak. Mereka tidak.
Mereka tidak di sana. No, they weren't. Tidak. How long were you away? Nah, ini sudah kalimat WH question ya. How? How long? How long were you away? Kalau Miss Ira ganti you-nya ini jadi she, berarti kalimatnya gimana? How long?
How long was you away?
You masa pakainya was? Miss Ira ganti she kok you-nya.
Oh,
Long?
how long was she
Oh,
away?
away. Good job. How long was she away? Berapa lama dia pergi? Kalau ini how long were you away? Berapa lama kamu pergi? Di sini pakainya were karena subjeknya adalah you. I
Hmm.
was away. Aku pergi selama satu minggu. The last one. How was
Ya,
your vacation?
ya,
Karena vacationnya itu sudah di masa lampau, terus for example, hmm, mami papinya dia pergi ke Bali. Oke. Ulang ditanyain, liburannya gimana, Pi? Nah, itu kan berarti liburannya sudah selesai apa belum selesai?
udah.
Sudah selesai. Jadi terjadinya di masa lalu. How was your vacation? Jadi pakainya was ini. Loh, Miss itu kan
Kayaknya
your.
was sama.
Ini kan your, Miss.
Iya,
Nah, lihat dulu. Your ini bukan subjek, tapi dia kepemilikan. Kepemilikan apa? Liburan. Yang kita bahas adalah liburannya. Liburan itu dia singular. Tung, tunggal. Masuknya kemana? Ke it. Jadinya dia pakainya was. Pertanyaannya menjadi, how was your vacation? It was excellent. Sangat Mengagumkan.
Sangat mengagumkan.
It was excellent. Mengagumkan. Mengagumkan ini dia kata sifat ya, adjective. 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 Nah, kalau constructionnya ada wasn't. Cara bacanya adalah wasn't. Artinya
Wasn't.
was not. Wasn't. And then weren't. Were
Were,
not.
were not.
Good. So, do you have any question for this one, Gia?
Hmm, yang,
Agak ribet ya yang was were ya.
ya,
Give me. Loh, kalau masih ada yang mengganjal, loh kok gitu sih? Harusnya kan gini. Yuk, coba kasih tahu Mira.
yang were your parents there itu kalau pakai was nggak bisa ya, Miss.
Kalau gimana?
Yang yang nomor empatnya, pertanyaan
Nomor
yang were your parents there itu nggak bisa pakai was ya.
bisa pakai was apa enggak? Nah, parents kita lihat. Yang dibahas adalah parents. Subjeknya di situ parents. Parents itu
Oh,
terdiri dari papa sama mama. Dua orang.
oh,
Jadi harus pakai were karena masuknya ke they.
oh, oke.
Gimana? Pusing?
Hmm, dikit.
Dikit. Give me example, Kia. Give me example.
Hmm,
Annotate your here. Tuh, dah Misra enable. Coba diketik di layar kalimatnya Gia yang pakai was sama were.
yang mana, Miss?
Yang gambar pulpen, anotasi, annotate, dipencet.
Gambar pensil.
Iya,
Mana? Oke.
ketemu.
Ketemu. Terus
Terus diklik,
diklik. Udah.
terus mulai ngetik. Tap di layar, terus ketik coba.
Itu, Miss.
Ya, make two sentences with was and were.
Was, were,
Praktis dulu.
was, were. There. There. Hmm. Dah, kayak gini, Miss. Bisa.
Where is it? Mana? Gia ngetiknya di sebelah mana?
Paling bawah. Ya,
Bunyinya? Kok nggak ada sih di layar Misira?
ada, Miss, yang warna itu, warna biru.
Warna blue.
Ini, Miss.
I can see it.
Iya.
Kok nggak ada? Tapi yang catatannya Misira kelihatan semua. Oh, ini baru. Ya, baru ada di Misira. Were you already finished it?
Siapa?
Ayo, were eat itu makan, itu kata kerja. Ayo, yang bukan kata kerja.
Hmm, gimana ini
Finish
Kak?
sama it itu verb.
Gimana, Miss? Benerinnya gimana, Miss?
Di ando aja, di ando.
Ando gimana, Miss?
Panah kembali kebalik, panah kebalik.
Nggak bisa, Miss.
Di delete.
Hapus.
Sudah hilang di Misra.
You finish. Well,
Berarti pas Misra ngetik itu juga munculnya lama ya?
iya,
Oh, that's why.
kelas. Gini aja kali ya.
Coba-coba, Misra tunggu dulu.
Finish kelas.
Belum muncul. Oh, mana dia?
Ini udah, Miss. Where you finish class?
Were you finished class?
Classes or class? Classes, not classes.
Not classes. Kalau kelasnya satu ya kelas. Oke, Misra tulis deh. Were you? Were you finished? Finish itu verb. Jadi tidak bisa. Kalau mau bilang apakah kamu di kelas, jadi pakainya in. Were you in my class?
Okay, my
Gitu.
class.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Jadi dia harus bedakan mana verb sama mana eh, adjective atau noun. Kalau dia mau bilang apakah kamu sudah finish? Did you finish? Did you finish
Hmm,
your class? Gitu. Pakainya did, bukan
oh ya.
bukan were. Mm-mm. Did you finish your class? Seperti itu. Ya udah, yuk. Kita mulai eh kerjain yang bawahnya. Coba, Misra mau lihat application-nya dia gimana. Ini Misra hapus ya semuanya ya.
Hmm, ya, ya, Miss.
Oke.
Oke.
Nah, later I need you to write down this one and send to my WhatsApp ya. Greetings from sunny Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I'm having a great time. Yesterday I took a tour of the old town. The buildings of the monuments were amazing. This morning I went swimming and snorkeling. Then I went shopping at one of the town's open markets. I bought a very beautiful handmade ceramic vase and tried the famous fish on a stick. Delicious. I'm having a really great vacation, Casey. Maybe you would like to tell Miss Yara about your vacation later ya. Ini di akhir ya. Nah, I need you to do this one first. And later we'll practice to speak. This one is under the grammar focus ya.
Oke. Here. Oh, I hear one. Oh, okay. Mm,
Let me know if you're finished, yeah?
okay. Mm, Don't miss.
You've done?
Yeah.
Okay. So, here, would you please read number one?
Number one, were you in New York last weekend?
Good job. Were you in New York? Were you in New York last weekend? No,
Weren't. Wasn't.
No, I wasn't.
No, I wasn't.
I
I was
was
in Chicago.
in Chicago.
Chicago. Yeah.
How?
How was it?
How was it? Good. It
It was great,
easy peasy, but
but it wasn't cold and windy as usual.
was or wasn't?
Wasn't.
Look at this one. But it was cold and windy as usual, seperti biasanya. Berarti,
No, no, not.
jadi was saja. Karena it was great. Menyenangkan sih, bagus sih. Cuman
Oh, yeah.
dingin gitu. Berarti it was
Was
cold.
okay.
Number two.
How long
Were
were your parents in Chile? Chile.
Chile, they
They they were were three
There
there
for
weeks.
2 weeks. Good. Blah 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 day in Santiago the whole time.
Were they in Santiago the whole time? Where?
Were.
Were.
Were. Were they in Santiago the whole time? No,
They
they
weren't,
weren't. Easy
weren't.
peasy. They also went to Valparaiso. Blah.
Also went to Valparaiso.
Okay, good. Number three, blah blah blah. You away last week?
Were you away last week?
Were you away last week? Yes,
Yes,
I
I was in Madrid.
was in Madrid. Really? How long?
Were you there?
How
There.
long were you there? For almost
We,
a
I
week. I there.
was there on business.
Uh, so great job. If you do the exercise, you can do it, yeah?
Yeah.
Bisa, bisa, bisa. Good job. And now, you already write down the answer in your book, yeah? On your book, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done.
Let me delete all of them.
Yeah.
And now, we're going to do this one. Nge-lag laptopnya.
Huh?
My laptop is lagging. Wait for a minute.
Miss?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the test yesterday.
Hmm?
Uh,
What's my
what my
score?
score?
Your score is your score is 78.
Jelek.
78. Bagus apa
Hmm,
jelek?
jelek.
Standar tuh. Masih bisa lebih bagus dari itu. Tapi harus lebih teliti. Next, nilainya berapa? 98 ya?
Uh, yeah. Maybe.
Oke, kita stop share dulu.
Maybe.
Oke, I would like to share this one. Can you see it clear?
Yeah. But
It's too small, yeah.
yeah.
How to zoom it? Ah, this one. Okay, this one. I will give you some question from this box and you need to answer my question, yeah? Okay. We started
Okay.
with the easy. We started with the easy question. Were you busy yesterday?
Yesterday.
Were you busy? Busy.
Mm, yeah. Maybe yeah, maybe no.
Oh, okay, just tell me.
I and my neighbor house. Yeah, neighbor house come to Paragon Mall, and I
Hmm?
I just kejar promo apa Miss?
Try to, you wanna find promo? You,
From Burger King.
oh, okay.
Yeah, my neighbor house say me to sis, Burger King have the promo
Mm.
and the price so very cheap. I think because the 27 rupiah.
27 for a burger.
Yeah, a burger and French fries and Coca-Cola.
Oh, a package, yeah. A
Yeah,
package.
yeah,
That's great.
yeah. And
And
um, after I eat together in Burger King, I go in
masa
the
I go? I
I walk uh
walk
ya pasti masuk ke dalam itu apa
inside.
uh, inside ya go ya inside the Paragon Mall, the Happy Time,
Mm.
and I play the many game, yeah, and I play the basketball or oh I can wait
Wow, you played on time zone in time zone, yeah.
every time and I wait it is uh, photo box.
Oh, it's great.
Tuh.
Oh, you got
Yeah,
to.
yeah, in the happy time.
Mm.
I from three, three, three people
Three
come
people.
to happy time and play. Okay.
Oh, how much is for the photo box?
35 rupiah.
35 rupiahs. And then how many photos we can get home?
Two.
Two, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. In Happy Time Paragon, ya.
Yeah.
That was great.
You can come Paragon Mall and you can try to photo box.
To try the photo
Yeah.
box because in DP Mall there isn't, nggak
Yeah.
ada di DP Mall.
Yeah.
So okay, I need to go to Paragon, ya. Good job. Now my next question is, mm, what was your last holiday like?
Nah.
What was your holiday like?
Mm. Oh, it was your last. Oh, apa yang terakhir kamu menyukai liburan ya Miss ya?
Mm-mm.
Terakhir. Oh, oke. I think I like the in my family. I go.
I
Um,
went.
eh, I went. Sorry,
That's
I
okay. I went.
I went to come villa maybe, yeah. And I eat seafood
You ate seafood.
seafood together with my parents, my family, and I talk deep talk maybe talk if I after finish it, I can ask the plan.
Mm-mm.
Uh, yeah, this is
Okay, that's your last holiday, yeah,
yeah,
with your family.
yeah,
It was great.
yeah. It's
Yes, of course. Okay.
because I meet my family and my parents.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I'm so happy and I so very nice.
You were happy and you feel
Yeah,
good, yeah. And
yeah.
then, what was the name of your first pet?
What was the name of
This one.
ah, I don't know. Okay, I
You don't
have
have pet?
yeah,
You don't have any? Just like
yeah.
cat or maybe.
I have the dog and cat, but the cat diambil orang apa ya?
Oh,
Ya,
they kidnap
dicuri.
him.
Apa?
Kidnap.
Ya,
Catnap ya berarti.
petnya ya,
Diculik ya.
ya.
Mm-mm.
Uh, I think the dog.
Dog?
Yeah, the name is Bomberly. It's my dog. It's so very cute
Mm-mm.
and smart.
Cute and
Licik apa
smart.
licik, Miss? Licik.
Licik.
Licik apa, Miss? Jadi pinter licik gitu.
Oh, pinternya licik, bukan pinter yang
Because if my mom give the it
Mm-mm.
apa dog
Ya.
food. My my dog Bomberly apa kalau nggak banyak dia nggak mau makan. Jadi
Loh.
kalau dikit dia
Oh,
irit-irit kayak ya gitu deh. Licik.
gitu. Licik ya, cunning. Ini ada cunning. Cunning itu licik.
Ya licik. Smart kan. Smart
Cunning.
cunning. Cunning smart. Ya. The name ya the first
Bob Marley.
ah Bomberly.
Bob Marley.
Bomberly. Because my mom I think Bomberly my dog this male
Oh,
apa
Mel.
jantan. So,
Heeh.
but if my mom meraba itunya
Mm-mm.
eh apa namanya ya itu ternyata ya itu this betina
Oh, ternyata betina.
Bomber ya. Jadi
Oh.
tadi the first name Bomber,
Mm-mm.
Mel ya pasti
Because your mom thought it as male, so the name is Boomer.
ya. But after my mom now my dog Bomber is a woman.
Mm-mm.
The name is Bomberly. Lee.
Boomerly. Oh yeah. So
Yeah, yeah,
she gave the
yeah,
feminine name, yeah, from
yeah.
Boomer to Boomerly.
Yeah. Please change the name.
You changed the name. Okay, okay, I see. That's great. So is Boomerly still with you now?
Huh?
Is Boomerly still with you and your family? Stay at home?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, he's still.
But yeah, but the from now my dog Bumerli apa sakit matanya udah ya eyes my the eyes
Yeah.
tidak bisa melihat
Oh, can see well because it's too old. Sudah
ya
terlalu tua?
7 tahun ya
7 years old.
7 years old the age my dog.
Oh, so how come he can go for walk?
No, in this stay in the home.
Mm-mm.
always because the eyes apa udah
Blind.
ya apa buram apa Miss?
Oh,
Udah tidak
if we say buta, buta is blind. But if buram
blind,
is blurred.
blurred, ya.
Mm.
The eyes the blurred and so I can my mom in the call if I call my mom and ask the
The Bomberly.
Bomberly
Mm-mm.
oh are you my dog my mom answer yeah the eyes so not apa sih tidak bisa melihat lagi apa
Can,
dengan jelas
can see well. Can see well.
can
Tidak
see
bisa
well
melihat
ya.
dengan baik. Okay, I hope that uh, Bomberly get better ya, and also still healthy lah at least, even though she can't see well, but I hope that she is still healthy.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you,
I
Miss.
know. I know that you was very sad. It seems like when I lost my cat, I cry a lot because yeah, someone stole my cat at that time.
Yeah, yeah. I can the same. I can like the cat, dog, or maybe any else apa the pet,
Mm-mm.
and I can the two cat or dog. I prefer my dog.
You prefer your dog. Yeah, you like
Because
it a lot
the dog is the first. Yeah,
first.
with
Sometimes, if I walk to the neighborhood, some of the
yeah.
people also have the dog, just like the white one, poodle, poodle
Oh,
or paddle, poodle,
poodle. Yeah,
poodle.
poodle.
It's so cute. I
Yeah,
really want to hug, but I can't.
yeah, because but the poodle apa harus ada perawatan khusus
Yeah,
bulu apa sih Miss? Ya itu.
the fur.
Fur ya. The fur is so very hard if you cannot know cara apa
How to take care?
how to check and memandikan
How?
wash
Mm,
ya wash or maybe sisir apa
how to
ya
comb?
ya the hair. This is so very not easy.
Oh, it's not easy to have poodle, yeah.
Ya, because perawatan intens apa, Miss? Ya, itulah.
Intense care.
Scare,
So
rutin.
it should
Rutin.
go to the pet
Ya,
shop
pet
for grooming, yeah.
grooming.
Mm.
Because the tadi bulu apa, Miss?
Fur.
For cepat cepat numbuh bulu. It- Dia
Oh,
kalau dicukur pudel.
poodle tuh cepat, so harus
So fast.
di-cut
Ya, cut
for
ya.
to go to the pet shop for grooming ya. Oh, I
Ya,
see. So that's why ya. Usually if poodle yang bawa cici-cici gitu.
ya, because my cousin
Mm-mm.
ya poodle and the color of the tadi bulu apa Miss? Iya
Fur,
apa?
fur.
Fur brown, the brown, the fur yeah fur
The
and
fur is brown.
it's brown yeah the color is brown and so cute and smart and
Mm.
licik.
And licik and cunning.
I I had the cunning dog.
Mm.
I know if the dog start the cunning licik uh, terutama apa Miss?
Especially
The especially the cunning food
food.
so very smart.
Mm.
uh, yeah um, but the dog it's so very apa know how I feeling, how I mood, and if I said the dog apa ikutan apa follow said
Yeah,
to yeah
it
my
can
dog
understand you. It can understand you well, yeah.
ya
Mm,
perasa apa sih feeling ya perasa kuat it's so
What? Okay.
strong feeling
Strong feeling.
yeah
It has a strong feeling with the owner.
yeah the owner it's so good I miss you my Bomberly
You
and
miss
my
Bomberly?
Chester. I have the three dog,
Mm-mm.
uh, two Shih Tzu, Pomeranian English, and the one Pitbull.
Pitbull?
Yeah, this is so uh, apa menakutkan apa scared
Yes,
ya.
scary. Pitbull is
Yeah,
so strong, right?
yeah,
So
is
for the pitbull one is for to take care of your house. Maybe if someone coming,
yeah,
jaga
uh,
rumah ya.
yeah.
Hmm.
Stay apa di depan rumah apa
Stay in front of the house.
ya if I apa kedatangan apa
If some you have a guest, punya
ya
kamu,
guys or maybe kurir ya
kurir ya paket ya, how
paket
come?
uh, kurir so very scared my
Scared?
dog arr. And apa cakar ya itulah
Uh-uh.
itulah uh, I feel so not scared but this is so cute. Funny.
Funny ya.
Yeah.
So the
Um,
courier just throw
yeah.
your package then?
Uh, no, the courier apa take the packet in the kotak kotak
Oh,
yang udah
put the package on the in the
you put the
box
bag.
ya.
Yeah, my mom asked me if you buy anything, you you can not uh, apa taruh di itu keranjangnya
Just put on the in the box gitu ya.
ya in the
Oh
box
my
ya
God.
put in
Because you have pitbull gitu.
yeah, pitbull the dog pitbull ya ya.
Who's the name of it?
The name Chloe,
Chloe.
uh, female.
Oh, also
Ya.
female ya. Oh,
But nurut apa Miss ya?
how
Apa
to say
jinak
nurut
jinak?
ya?
Uh, I've already
Jinak ya? Jinak itu apa ya in English? Wait, let's check.
jinak jinak jinak
Otherwise.
apa otherwise ya
Oh, bukan, bukan.
Chloe ya
Bentar.
already
Jinak. Ben, tame.
apa time
Tame.
ya time
Tame.
oh time ya
Hmm.
uh Chloe
Tame.
it's already
Tame.
time if now my friend or maybe the quest come to my home in the South Tangerang in the Pamulang Chloe uh, know and uh, yeah time already time and
Tame ya.
uh,
If once she know she knows, for example, oh, this one is Kia's friend. Oh, this one is Papa's friend. This one is
yeah
Mama's friend.
no
So
but
oh, she's so clever ya.
clever yeah so be nice and so cunning
So
very
what?
cunning very cunning
Oh, very cunning ya,
and
licik juga
smart
ya.
yeah I
Okay.
have the dog cunning
All of them are cunning.
yeah
But you love them
Yeah,
so much, right?
it's so hard, Miss.
So hard.
For food,
For food only ya,
suka
not
berantem.
feeling. Oh ya, three of them?
Ya,
Hmm,
if my mom apa sih nggak adil gitu apa membagi ini.
makannya. Mm-mm.
Ya,
Unfair ya,
oke
unfair
ya.
to give the food.
eh Gigit apa sih? Ya
Oh,
gitulah, tapi
bite.
canda. Nggak terlalu ini.
Bite ke yang dognya yang lain atau bite to your mom?
Yang itu yang lain.
Oh, yang
My
lain.
mom misahin.
Oh, separate them.
Tem
Separate
ya.
them. Oh, I see. That's great. Okay, okay, okay. Do you love them?
Yeah, I love them, but I don't like if my dog cunning, smart cunning.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
So you don't like if they are just like nakal ya, nakal itu naughty, naughty, a little bit
naughty,
naughty.
naughty. Yeah, I
Okay,
don't like.
okay.
Yeah,
But you miss Bomberly.
yeah. I
Yeah.
very love her because my first dog in the home, Bomberly, and the after Chester.
Mm-mm.
This is a male. Chitsu, yeah, Chitsu, yeah. Two of them tipe Shih Tzu Pomerian Inggris, but she or he is so very kindness for my friend. My friend
Mm.
come to my home. Um, Two of them welcome.
Two of them welcome.
Yeah, yeah, so very nice, and I miss,
Mm.
miss my dog.
They miss your dog.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Maybe later you may give me, oh, this one, this one. Look at the picture.
Oh, I have
You,
uh,
you have it?
in the finish class. I can share my photo,
Oh, yeah.
my Chloe,
Okay.
sister, or and Bomberly.
Boomerly. I really want to know them.
I if my save my photo apa
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, I'll save your photo then. Okay, okay, okay. So now I need you to go back to your book, yeah, Gia. I need you to open your workbook, please.
Yeah,
Uh-uh. I'm really happy to listen to your story about your pets.
yeah, kind and good, my dog.
Mm-mm.
Okay, I found it.
You found it? Okay, so I need you to do it. Part 8 and 9, yeah? In 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it's okay. I will wait and later we're going to discuss it together.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm. I'm done, Miss.
Okay, good job. So let's discuss it together. Yeah, go on. How was your vacation in Thailand, Rich? Oh, by the way, have you ever gone to Thailand?
No.
But do you want to go there? Oh, you said to me no, yeah?
Huh?
Have you ever told Miss Ira that you don't want to go to Thailand?
No.
No. Who told me that? I don't want to go to Thailand. I guess that another student, yeah. But I really want to
Uh,
go to Thailand. Mm-mm-mm.
yeah.
Is your dream country is Swiss?
Hmm. Thinking, yeah.
Swiss, yeah. Because you want to go there. Okay. All right. So complete this conversation with was, wasn't, were, or weren't. Okay. How was your vacation in Thailand, Rich?
It was great. I really enjoyed it.
I really enjoyed it. Good. How long
Were you there?
were you there? We blah 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 there for 2 weeks.
We were
Mm-mm.
there for 2 weeks.
Okay, good. Blah blah blah. You in Bangkok the whole time?
Were you in Bangkok the whole time?
Okay, no,
Nah?
no, we
No, oh, no, we weren't.
weren't.
We
We
were in the mountains for
for
a few days.
a few days. A few days itu berarti beberapa hari.
Beberapa hari.
And how blah 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 the weather.
And how was the weather?
Okay,
Uh,
udah
were
it good.
were it good?
Masa were
Was we it?
was it
Soalnya ada
good?
it ini.
Mm-mm.
Was it?
Was karena it di situ adalah the weather. It pakainya
Oh,
was.
oh ya was.
Was it good? No,
No,
it
it uh wasn't
it wasn't.
wasn't
It wasn't good at all. At all itu untuk negative sentence ya, atau artinya sama sekali. Tidak
sama.
bagus sama sekali. Itu bilangnya it wasn't good at all.
Oh, it wasn't.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Next.
Okay. In fact, it was terrible.
It was terrible. Okay.
The city were very hot and the mountains
Hello. Who's that?
uh, 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 the city were were apa bos ya?
Ayo. City loh, city. The city.
Oh, were the city.
Satu. The city itu satu. City itu kota. Kotanya satu.
Oh,
Was
was
very hot.
really hot and the mountains was cold and rainy.
Mountains, ada S-nya.
Were.
Were. No, it wasn't good at all. In fact, it was terrible. The city was very hot and the mountains were cold and rainy. Ya, dibetulkan dulu.
The city was very hot and the mountains were cold
Were
and
cold and
rainy.
rainy. Good job.
I wrong three.
Three?
No.
Which part? Which part?
Four.
The last one?
Yeah,
The last line-nya. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Look, you need to pay attention. You
Yeah.
need to pay attention to this one. Mountains, ada S-nya.
Oke, mountains ada S-nya ya.
Kalau city, city itu pasti
Itu.
satu. Kalau city-nya banyak itu cities, pakai S.
Ya.
Kalau banyak berarti dia pakainya ke they. They
D.
itu pakainya were, gitu.
Were.
Kalau ini in fact, it. Nah, kita lihat dari kata it. Oh, berarti kalau it itu pasangannya pakai was.
Bos.
Was terrible itu artinya apa sih terrible?
Ribet ya? Eh, terrible, terrible tuh eh apa?
Bu,
Ya gitulah.
buruk.
Iya, pokoknya
Sangat buruk.
apa sih
Terrible itu
yang
sangat
apa,
buruk.
negatif lah, Miss.
Negatif, sangat buruk ya.
Oke.
Mm. Now we move to another part, part 9,
Ya,
our last ya,
ya.
before we close our meeting today.
Oke. Hmm, hmm. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done, Miss.
You have done?
Oh,
Okay, so choose the correct questions to complete this conversation. Okay, you will ask and I will answer.
how was your
1, 2, 3, go.
vacation in South America?
It was a great trip. I really enjoyed Brazil and Argentina.
How long were you in Brazil?
Mm-mm. I was in Brazil for 10 days,
And how long were you in Argentina?
for about 8 days.
Wow, that's a long time. How was the weather?
It was hot and sunny the whole time.
And what was the best part?
It was definitely the beaches in Brazil. Oh, and we learned a tango in Argentina. Tango dance, yeah.
Uh,
In Argentina. It's easy peasy, this one, yeah? Okay, so now, we already finished. Would you mind to give me review about what did you get in your mind?
Hmm, I learned to grammar focus.
Mm-mm.
Ya, grammar focus. To simple. The past to be. Past to
Past of
be.
B?
Uh, apa? eh, masa lampau tuh di masa lalu.
Okay. You learn about two past of B. What are they?
To be dalam bentuk verb to.
Verb to. To be dalam bentuk verb to. Apa saja itu? What are they?
Is, am, are,
Become.
become to, was, were.
Okay, become was were. Who used was?
Ya. Ah,
Yang pakai was?
oh, ya was ya is, am, see, he, eat. See, he, eat.
He it sama
I,
I. Good job sama I. And then what about were?
were, they, we, you. They, we, you.
They, we, you. Okay, they, we, you using were. And then what else? If I have a plural subject itu berarti lebih dari satu yang ada ss-nya di belakang. Itu pakainya was apa were ya?
Was. Eh, kalau lebih dari, were.
Pakainya were. Kalau yang cuman singular satu?
Was.
Was, oke. Terakhir, make two sentences yang pakai was sama were harus bisa. Come on.
Oh, okay. Um, where, where you, where you in, uh, where you were you uh, eh
Were you?
uh, were you in the last week in the holiday?
Were you apa?
Where were you in your holiday?
Okay. Were you in your holiday? Were you in your vacation? Were you in your holiday? Good job. Yang pakai was.
Okay. Uh, I was
I
eh,
was.
uh, uh, I was here have have the boyfriend.
I was. Have itu verb. Nggak boleh. I was.
I was I was the pengalaman apa, Miss? Experience ya.
Experience.
Experience to be speak English from now.
Okay.
Uh,
I was apa ya? Nggak bisa begitu. Itu verb sayang. I was.
I was to
Bolehnya gini. I was learning English boleh. Yang verb ing boleh.
ya udah itu, Miss.
Ya itu aja ya. I was learning
I was
English.
learning this.
Oke,
Ya,
oke, oke. Jadi
oke,
bisa
dah.
dipakai ke verb ing. Good job. So now the last one is this one. This one is for your homework. You need to uh send it to my WhatsApp
Hmm.
ya. Menceritakan tentang liburan atau menceritakan tentang sesuatu pakai past tense.
Hmm. Liburan. In the past in the
In
what
the
one
past.
years past in the past 1 year or 2 years 2 years.
Oh, in the past. Your vacation in the past.
Hmm.
Diketik, oke? Writing.
Ah,
PR aja. Just take it easy. No need to, no need to worry. Boleh disetor Rabu, ya.
sekarang oke
Oke?
oke.
Okay, was great. Thank you so much for having Bisira today. Our time is almost up. Do you have any question for today's meeting? Yeah?
No.
No? What about this homework? Home fun? Home fun ya? Bukan homework.
Time, yeah. Yeah,
If
I
you have
so very
if
thinking
you have
hard.
anything to ask, just text me on WhatsApp ya.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much, Kia.
Thank you so much too, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye
We're
bye.
bye bye. I'll see you again on Wednesday ya.
Ya,
Rabu, oke? Tomorrow belum.
ya.
Baik ya.
Oke, bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye.